Ever lost track of an important conversation in the digital clutter? Today, we're diving into Telegram to show you exactly how to unarchive those messages and bring them back into your active chat list. First things first, locate the chat you wish to unarchive. If it's currently hidden in your archived section, you'll need to access that. To get to your archive chats, simply swipe down from the top of your main chat screen. You'll see a new section appear labeled Archive Chats. Tap on Archive Chats to see all the conversations you've previously moved there. Now, to unarchive a specific conversation, you have two simple methods. The first is to tap and hold on the chat you want to bring back. A menu will pop up. Look for the Unarchive option and tap it. Instantly, that chat will be removed from your archive folder and returned to its rightful place at the top of your main chat list, ready for you to pick up where you left off. The second method is to swipe left on the chat you intend to unarchive. A small Unarchive button will appear. Tap this button to complete the action. And just like that, your conversation is back in your main view. This straightforward process ensures you never miss an important update and helps keep your Telegram organized exactly how you like it. Mastering message management is key to staying connected. Master your Telegram messages. Master your conversations. Stay tuned for more Telegram tips.